Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to find the fan translation on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to find the fan translations. Now let's focus on the bottom of the screen. At the rightmost, you can see a button like this called as More right next to My. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here, all you guys have to do is focus on this section. Right here, right next to settings, you can see something called as fan translation. Click on it, and guys, this is it. This is the fan translation section. Well guys, that's about it. That's how you find fan translation. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.